love is not just about beauty, attraction, or perfect words. The truth is, men fall deeply in love with feminine energy that touches their heart, inspires their soul, and makes them feel emotionally connected. A woman who understands her feminine power naturally becomes unforgettable. In this motivational speech, we'll explore the three feminine energies that make any man fall deeply in love, and how embracing these qualities can transform relationships, increase attraction, and create emotional intimacy. Softness and emotional warmth are among the most powerful feminine energies a woman can possess. In a world where people constantly face stress, pressure, and emotional exhaustion, a warm and gentle presence becomes deeply comforting and unforgettable. This kind of energy is not about being weak, passive, or overly emotional. It is about creating an atmosphere where love, peace, and understanding can naturally grow. Men are often drawn toward women who make them feel emotionally safe, appreciated, and accepted without constant judgment or conflict. A woman with emotional warmth knows how to communicate with kindness even during difficult moments. She listens carefully, shows empathy, and responds with patience instead of anger. Her energy feels calming rather than draining. Simple actions like offering encouragement, showing genuine interest, or expressing appreciation can create a strong emotional bond that lasts much longer than physical attraction alone. Emotional connection is what transforms attraction into deep love. Soft feminine energy also inspires trust. When a man feels understood and emotionally supported, he naturally opens his heart more deeply. He becomes more comfortable sharing his fears, dreams, and vulnerabilities because he senses acceptance rather than criticism. This emotional closeness strengthens loyalty and creates a relationship built on genuine connection instead of surface-level attraction. Warmth can also be seen in the way a woman carries herself. A gentle smile, caring words, calm energy, and compassionate behavior can completely change the atmosphere around her. People naturally remember how someone makes them feel, and emotional warmth leaves a lasting impression on the heart. A woman who radiates kindness and grace often becomes the emotional peace a man searches for in life, making her presence incredibly valuable and deeply attractive. Confidence and self-respect create a feminine energy that is incredibly powerful and attractive. A woman who truly knows her worth carries herself differently. She does not constantly seek validation, attention, or approval from others because her confidence comes from within. This inner security naturally draws people toward her and makes her presence unforgettable. Men are deeply attracted to women who value themselves, respect their own standards, and understand that real beauty begins with self-love. True feminine confidence is not loud, arrogant, or controlling. It is calm, graceful, and deeply rooted in self-awareness. A confident woman speaks with honesty, makes decisions with clarity, and does not lower her standards just to keep someone interested. She understands that her value is not defined by her relationship status, physical appearance, or the opinions of others. This level of self-respect inspires admiration because it shows emotional maturity and strength. A woman with confidence also creates healthier relationships. She knows how to set boundaries without guilt and express her needs without fear. Instead of chasing love desperately, she allows love to flow naturally while maintaining her identity and personal goals. This balance between independence and emotional openness makes her incredibly attractive because it shows stability and emotional intelligence. Confidence also influences the energy a woman brings into every room. Her posture, tone of voice, eye contact, and attitude all reflect self-belief. Even during challenges, she remains composed because she trusts herself and her ability to handle difficult situations. This calm strength creates a sense of security and respect that many men deeply admire. When a woman truly values herself, she teaches others how to value her as well. Her confidence becomes magnetic because it reflects authenticity, dignity, and emotional power. A man may initially notice beauty, but lasting attraction grows stronger when he sees a woman who fully believes in her own worth and refuses to settle for anything less than genuine love and respect. Playfulness and positive energy bring excitement, passion, and emotional lightness into a relationship. This feminine energy has the power to make ordinary moments feel special and unforgettable. Men are naturally attracted to women who radiate joy, laughter, and a sense of fun because positive energy creates emotional comfort and happiness. A playful woman does not constantly focus on negativity, drama, or emotional pressure. Instead, she brings warmth, excitement, and refreshing energy that makes people feel alive around her. Playfulness is not about acting childish or pretending to be someone else. It is about having a free spirit, enjoying the moment, and allowing happiness to flow naturally. A woman with this energy knows how to smile during difficult times, laugh at small things, and create beautiful memories through simple moments. Her positive attitude becomes emotionally addictive because it helps others escape stress and feel emotionally relaxed. Men often fall deeply in love with women who make life feel lighter and more enjoyable. A playful feminine energy creates emotional chemistry because it encourages connection without forcing it. Natural teasing, cheerful conversations, spontaneous adventures, and shared laughter build emotional intimacy in a powerful way. These moments strengthen attraction because they create positive emotional experiences that stay in the heart for a long time. Positive energy also reflects emotional strength. A joyful woman does not allow temporary problems to steal her peace completely. She chooses optimism, growth, and emotional balance even during challenges. This mindset inspires admiration because it shows resilience and emotional maturity. Her energy becomes a source of comfort and motivation for the people around her. A woman who embraces playfulness often appears more confident, charming, and emotionally attractive. Her laughter, enthusiasm, and vibrant spirit naturally capture attention without needing to force it. People are drawn toward those who make them feel happy, understood, and emotionally uplifted. When a self-love is the foundation of healthy feminine energy and the key to building deep, meaningful relationships, a woman who truly loves and respects herself naturally radiates confidence, peace, and emotional balance. She does not depend entirely on others for validation because she already understands her own value. This inner security becomes highly attractive because it reflects emotional maturity and strength. Men are naturally drawn toward women who carry self-worth with grace and authenticity. When a woman practices self-love, she treats herself with kindness instead of constant criticism. She protects her emotional well-being, respects her boundaries, and refuses to settle for relationships that drain her peace or diminish her value. This does not make her selfish or distant. Instead, it allows her to give love in a healthy and balanced way without losing herself in the process. A woman who loves herself teaches others how to love and respect her properly. Self-love also affects the energy a woman brings into relationships. Instead of acting from fear, insecurity, or desperation, she approaches love with confidence and emotional stability. She understands that her happiness does not completely depend on another person, which creates a healthier emotional connection. Men often feel more comfortable and emotionally connected with women who are secure within themselves because the relationship feels peaceful rather than emotionally exhausting. A woman with self-love continues to grow, improve, and pursue her goals even while being in love. She values her dreams, passions, and personal development. This independence and sense of purpose make her even more attractive because it shows she has a fulfilling life beyond the relationship itself. Self-love is also reflected in the way a woman speaks, behaves, and carries herself daily. Her confidence becomes natural, her standards become stronger, and her energy becomes more positive. She no longer seeks attention by pretending to be someone else because she feels comfortable being authentic. When a woman fully embraces self-love, she becomes emotionally powerful, deeply attractive, and capable of building relationships based on mutual respect, trust, and genuine emotional connection. Authenticity is one of the most powerful qualities a woman can possess, because genuine energy always creates deeper emotional attraction than pretending to be perfect. Men may be impressed by appearances or temporary charm at first, but real emotional connection happens when a woman feels comfortable being herself. Authenticity allows trust, honesty, and emotional intimacy to grow naturally, creating a relationship that feels real instead of forced. A woman who embraces her authentic self does not constantly change her personality to gain approval or attention. She speaks honestly, expresses her emotions naturally, and remains true to her values even when facing pressure from others. This confidence in her true identity becomes incredibly attractive because it shows emotional strength and self-awareness. People are naturally drawn towards someone who feels real and emotionally genuine. Authenticity also creates emotional comfort in relationships. When a woman stops pretending to be perfect, she allows deeper conversations and stronger emotional bonds to develop. Men often feel more connected to women who are open, honest, and emotionally transparent rather than those who constantly hide behind masks or unrealistic expectations. Genuine connection grows when both people feel accepted for who they truly are. Trying too hard to impress others often creates emotional exhaustion and insecurity. A woman who constantly seeks validation may lose touch with her natural energy and personality. However, when she embraces authenticity, her confidence becomes effortless. Her uniqueness, natural behavior, and real emotions become part of what makes her unforgettable. Authentic feminine energy shines brightest when it is honest and natural rather than overly calculated. Authenticity also inspires trust and loyalty. A man feels emotionally safer with a woman who communicates sincerely and behaves consistently. He knows her kindness, affection, and care are real rather than temporary acts designed to gain attention. This emotional security strengthens love and creates a deeper sense of connection over time. True feminine power is not about becoming someone else to attract love. It is about fully embracing who you already are, with confidence, honesty, and self-respect. When a woman lives authentically, her energy becomes naturally magnetic, emotionally powerful, and deeply attractive to the right person. Emotional peace is a feminine energy that creates deep comfort, stability, and lasting love in a relationship. In a world filled with stress, pressure, and emotional chaos, a woman who brings calmness and balance into a man's life becomes incredibly valuable. Men are naturally drawn toward women who make them feel emotionally safe rather than emotionally exhausted. Peaceful energy creates a relationship where both people can grow, communicate, and connect without constant tension or unnecessary drama. A woman with emotional peace knows how to manage her emotions with maturity and self-control. She does not react impulsively to every problem or create conflict out of insecurity. Instead, she approaches challenges with patience, understanding, and emotional intelligence. This calm energy helps build trust because it allows both partners to feel secure, expressing themselves honestly without fear of constant arguments or emotional instability. Emotional peace also comes from inner balance. A woman who is at peace with herself does not constantly seek validation, attention, or reassurance from others. She understands her worth and carries quiet confidence within her. This emotional stability becomes deeply attractive because it creates a sense of comfort and reliability in the relationship. Men often feel more emotionally connected to women who bring calmness into their lives, rather than confusion and emotional pressure. A peaceful feminine presence can transform the atmosphere around her. Her calm voice, thoughtful communication, supportive attitude, and ability to stay grounded during difficult moments create emotional security. Even small acts of patience, understanding, and compassion can make a man feel respected and emotionally valued. Over time, this emotional safety strengthens loyalty and deepens love. Relationships thrive when both people feel emotionally supported rather than constantly stressed. A woman who brings emotional peace into a relationship often inspires healthier communication, stronger trust, and deeper emotional intimacy. Her energy becomes a source of comfort that a man naturally wants to protect and remain close to. True feminine strength is not always loud or dramatic. Sometimes, the most powerful energy a woman can offer is peace, emotional balance, and a loving presence that makes someone feel understood, accepted, and emotionally at home. A truly feminine woman does not chase love desperately. She attracts it naturally through her energy, confidence, and emotional presence. When you embrace your softness, honor your worth, and radiate joy, you become unforgettable. Remember this: the right man will not only admire your beauty, he will fall deeply in love with your spirit, your energy, and the peace you bring into his life. Be confident, be graceful, be authentically you.